Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into Fiverr, complete guide step by step clearly. To begin, open your preferred web browser. Type in the URL www.fiverr.com in the address bar. Press the enter key to navigate to the Fiverr homepage. Once the page loads, look for the join button in the top right corner. If you already have an account, locate the sign in button next to join. Click on the sign in button to proceed to the login page. You'll encounter fields for your email address and password. Enter the email address associated with your Fiverr account. Next, input your password in the designated field. If you've forgotten your password, click on the Forgot Password link. Follow the prompts to reset your password if necessary. Once your credentials are entered, click on the Continue button. Wait a moment as Fiverr processes your information. If your login is successful, you'll be redirected to your Fiverr dashboard. Here, you can easily access your orders, messages, and profile settings. If you encounter any issues, double-check your email and password for accuracy. If the problem persists, consider clearing your browser's cache. Alternatively, try logging in using a different web browser or device. You are now ready to explore and utilize Fiverr's services. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.